Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Singh and for our today's video assignment subject is ADA. So we will look upon brute force. So here is an introduction about brute force. Brute force is a fundamental principle solving technique in computer science. It involves systematically enumeration all possibility solution to make a problem and checking if each solution satisfies the problem statement. This approach is a simple to understand and easy to implement, making it a valuable tool in the programmer's arsenal. Definition of a brute force. First one is exhaustive search. Brute force is a method of solving problems by trying every possible solution until the correct one is found. Trial and error method. This is second one. The brute force approach involves trying all possible combination or inputs to find the desired output and solution. Or the third one is systematic approach. Brute force algorithm methodologically explore the entire space, leaving no stone unturned in the quest for a solution. Here are the advantages of brute force. First one is simplicity. Brute force algorithms are easy to understand and implement, making them a popular choice for beginners and quick prototyping. Second one is guaranteed solution. If a solution exists, a brute force approach will be eventually find it, provided there is a no time or space constraints. Effectiveness. Brute force can be effective for a small scale problem or when the search space is not too large. Here are some disadvantages of brute force. First one is inefficient. As the size of the problem increases, the number of the possible solution grows exponentially, making brute force inefficient and impracticable. Second one is time complexity. Brute force algorithms often have a high complexity, which can lead to long processing times, especially for large scale problems. And the third one is resource intensive. Brute force approaches can be computationally and memory intensive, making them unsuitable for problems with limited resources. Scenarios where brute force is applicable. First one is small scale problems. Brute force can be effective for solving small scale problems with a manageable search space. Second one is proof of concept. Brute force can be used to quickly validate a solution or demonstrate the feasibility of an approach. Third one is educational purpose. Brute force is often taught in a computer science crucial as a fundamental problem solving techniques. Time sensitive task. Brute force can be used for tasks where the processing time is not crucial factor. Now we will move to brute force algorithms. First one is exhaustive search, trying every possible solution to find the desired outcome. Second one is constant satisfaction, solving problem by systematically checking all possible solutions. And third one is optimizing problems, trying all feasible solutions to find the optimal one. Some of there are cryptanalysis, breaking encryption by trying possible key combination. Now we will move to the implementation of brute force in a programming. First one is iterate, use loop to systematically try all possible solutions. Second one, check, evaluate solution to be determined if meets the problem criteria. And third one is return, output the solution if found or indicate that no solution exists. Time complexity of a brute force. As you can see in the diagram, there is a big O notation and time input size graph is given there. As per the time increases, input size also increases. So for problem solving, time complexity is for small efficient and for medium acceptable and for large is insufficient. For small problem size, there is a efficient time complexity and for medium is acceptable and for the large one is inefficient. The time complexity will be inefficient for the larger one. Now we will move to the optimizing brute force approaches. First one is purging, eliminating unnecessary solution for the search space to improve efficiency. Second one is parallelization, divide the problem and run brute force computation in parallel to reduce processing time. Third one is memoization, cache previously computed result to avoid redundant calculation. So here is our conclusion and the key takeaways for the brute force approach. First one is force fundamental. Brute force is a simple, straightforward problem-solving technique that systematically tries all possible solutions. Second one is pros and cons. Brute force is easy to implement but can be inefficient for large-scale problems with high time complexity. Approach application. Brute force is the best suited for small-scale problem, proof of concept, and educational purpose. And the fourth one is optimization techniques. Optimizing brute force approaches through purine, parallelization, and memorization can improve efficiency.